This is a complete tutorial about installation and usage of Obsidian's mobile app. I am using iPhone. So for installation, we'll go to the App Store and we will search for Obsidian. This Obsidian connected nodes we will install. After installation, let us open it. So here in the screen it will ask to create a new vault, and the two vaults below, test and notes, those I have already created in my previous videos. So here I will show you how to create a new vault and sync it using iCloud. So for that, click on create new vault, enter a vault name. So let me name it new, and toggle the option store in iCloud. This way you can sync your iPhone as well as your computer's Obsidian vaults. Click on create. Now the vault has been created. Let us click on the menu. When we click on menu, this file explorer comes up. There are many options here. On the top left, the first option is of quick switcher. So if we type any name here, for example, first note, and press return, so it will create our first note. Now just above the keyboard you can see some options are there. So let me type one line first. Okay, I will explain all the options that are available. So let me go to a second line, third line. Okay, so this first option is to add internal link. Now let me type some internal link here. Okay, let me name it my first internal link. Okay, so if I click on it, nothing will happen because I am in the edit mode. If I have to go to the preview mode, here on the top of the screen you can see there is the option to go to the preview mode. See, this goes to the preview mode and toggles between preview and edit modes. So when I am in the preview mode, if I click on this internal link, it will create a new note with this name for me. So let me click it. Yeah, so it has created my new note. This is my second note. Okay, now the next option is to embed the contents of any note. So let me embed the content of first note here, and let me show you by going to the preview mode. So what I have done here is I have embedded the contents of my first note in my second note. So let me go back to the edit mode. The third option is to insert tags, hashtags, just like in Twitter and Instagram. So I can say this is my note. I can use as many hashtags as I want, and this will help me in finding out my notes later on. Okay, so that is fine. Then the fourth option is to insert images. So I can insert images. I'm not going to my album right now, but I'm showing you that this will give you the option of inserting images. Then this is the option for headings. We can have 6 kind of headings in our notes. So this is heading 1, which is the biggest. Then we can have heading 2 and likewise. Then there is the option for bold. So whatever I write inside this will be bold in preview mode. See. Then the next option is for italics. So whatever I write here will be in italics. Right. So let me go back to edit mode. And the final option is for strike through. Okay. So these are the options available in portrait mode. And let me go to this 3 dots here on the just after this preview mode switcher, and this will give our backlinks. We can also open this menu by simply swiping from the right of the screen. If we swipe from the left of the screen, this gives us the file explorer and the other menu options. And if we swipe down on the screen anywhere, it will open the command palette. Okay. Let me first tell you about all the options available here. It's just like the desktop app. So first one is the quick switcher, which I have already shown you. Then second one is the graph view, in which you can view the graph of your world. This is the global graph. The third one is the insert template. Okay, since I don't have any templates here, so that insert template option is not there. Here the third one is the command palette. If you have any templates in your vault, then the insert template option will come. And the fourth one is the markdown importer. So you can import your markdown files from other note-taking apps like Roam Research. Then below that you have the option to open a new vault, help and settings. These are the settings available just like the desktop version. Next, I will show you what are the options available when we go to the landscape mode. So let me go to the landscape mode. So when we go to the landscape mode, we get some other options. So I've already told you about the options till strike through. So after strike through, you can see there is an option for highlighting. So let me use it and show it to you. So whatever I write inside this will be highlighted in the preview mode. Okay. Then the next option is for writing code. Right. The next one is for block quotes. Let me go to the preview mode. Okay. Then the next one is for inserting markdown links. Next option is for bullet list. Okay. Then the option is for numbered list. Then this tick is for checklist, toggling the checklist status. So for checklist we have to do like this. It's a little difficult to type checklist in mobile phone. Okay, let me go to the preview. Fine. Let me go and toggle it. Let me check it. Okay. Done. No. Done. Yes. Okay. So for checklist we have to actually place let me, yeah, so this is item 2, yeah, now it's working. Item 3, so I've forgotten to put a space in between. Yes, so let me see how we can toggle it. Yeah, so this item is done, right? Okay, so don't forget to put the space in between the 2 square brackets, right? And the final one is the indentation of list item. So let me write something and then I will indent it, so it acts just like the tab. And let me show you one last thing. If you go to the settings and mobile, here you can configure the toolbar options which come right above the keypad. So you can configure whichever options you want your toolbar to show, and you can even arrange them here. That's it for today. Hope my video will be useful for you. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.